All right. So the Panoptix transducer can mount port or starboard, depending on how you want to mount it on the trolling motor. If you're mounting it on the shaft, make sure you read the instructions. There is a little arrow on the mount. You want to make sure that arrow is pointed up. There is an 8-degree cant right here, 8-degree cant on that mount. And what that does, that allows for that transducer to miss the barrel of that trolling motor. Okay. So there's an 8-degree cant, so it will shoot around the barrel of the trolling motor. So if you look at these images right here, these transducers are mounted completely differently versus being mounted on the port side of the transducer shaft or the starboard side of the transducer shaft. So again, make sure you read the instructions. Same thing if you're mounting it on the barrel. You can look at the pictures here, and this is clearly explained in our instructions. There is a difference in the way the LiveScope transducer is positioned when you're mounting it on the barrel, whether it's on the port side of the barrel or the starboard side of the barrel. All right. So you really need to know how that customer likes to lay that trolling motor on the boat. If it's a prop in the boat, so you can put a boat cover on, or the prop outside of the boat. And that's going to tell you how to mount and what side of that trolling motor you need to mount that on. Okay. So again, it's not hard, but just read the instructions. I get a lot of calls from guys going, hey, my image is wrong. I'm shooting straight down. I always ask them, take a picture of the transducer and show me. And 9 times out of 10, they have the transducer mounted wrong.